The Italian Institute of Technology has achieved a breakthrough with its Iron Cub 3, the world's first jet powered flying humanoid robot designed for real world use. After 2 years of research, including wind tunnel tests and AI driven aerodynamic modeling, Iron Cub 3 successfully lifted off about 50 centimeters while maintaining stability. Equipped with 4 jet engines and a titanium reinforced frame, the 70-kilogram robot can hover and perform controlled flight despite its complex humanoid shape and moving limbs. This achievement marks a significant advance in multi robotics and combining aerial mobility with human like manipulation, TechXplore has reported. Future applications include search and rescue, hazardous environment inspection, and exploration missions. Further testing will continue at a dedicated facility in Genoa.